Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Coco and Mom, and today I am here with another healthy yet exotic recipe of zucchini noodle pasta. So this is an exciting dish as it is a salad transformed into a perfect meal. To make our zucchini noodle pasta, we have to make a zoodles first, which is made with the use of spiralizer, but today I am going to make it with the use of vegetable peeler. And these noodles are perfect alternative to regular pasta or noodles. So let's get started. Let's start with making noodles using green and yellow zucchinis and also carrot. I have taken a vegetable peeler to create thin strips of zucchini lengthwise into noodle-like strands. Simply run the peeler along the zucchinis until you reach the bottom. Just peel the outer layer few times as the core inside it is seedy and mushy. Don't worry, even if your slices are not even. And now you can see our zucchini and carrot noodles are ready. Now I have heated up a pan, adding in some olive oil into it. Next we add some ginger, garlic and green chilies. And adding some finely chopped onions to it. Saute the onions with a pinch of salt till the onion turns translucent in color. Now adding some tomato puree to it. I have just churned few tomatoes in my blender jar to make this puree. You can even use store-bought one. And now it's time to add dry spices like oregano, dried basil, chili flakes, some chili paprika or chili powder, and some garlic salt or regular salt to it. Mix all these dry spices well, and now finally goes in chopped bell pepper to it. I have taken red and yellow ones. You can use any color of your choice and give it a nice mix. We do not have to overcook the vegetables because we need a nice crunch. Just adding some more mixed herbs, thyme and rosemary to it. This is optional, but it enhances the taste. Lastly, we add in our homemade zucchini and carrot noodles into this. Give all of this a nice toss and be gentle in stirring your zucchinis as they might break. Zucchini has 96% water, so if zoodles get overcooked, they can become soggy. So toss them nicely in high flame to cook them quickly. Now we add some ketchup to it. Now goes in handful of fresh basil leaves here. Just mix all of this once again and your beautiful, yummy, fresh and super delicious, healthy pasta or noodles are ready. We just turn off the flame and now it's time to plate them. Now I have topped these zucchini noodle pasta with some vegan Parmesan cheese and served with multigrain bun. And my vegan, beautiful, yummy and super healthy zucchini noodle pasta is ready to be served. So guys, as you all saw, this zucchini noodle pasta is perfect for any meal of the day because it is nutritious, low carb meal and freshly prepared at home. I've used zucchini and carrots both to make zoodles because carrot definitely added a nice crunch in the recipe. However, if you wish to use only zucchini in the recipe, you can go ahead and make your zoodles with only zucchinis. But do give this delicious and super yummy zucchini noodle pasta recipe a try. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Coco and Mom, and see you next time with another great recipe very soon. Till then, Happy cooking. Bye.